potato bacon soup. Perfect for the cold nights of the winter. All right, start off with a pound of bacon. And then, of course, you want to chop it up and fry it up, but make sure you save the grease. You're going to need that in a minute. And I will show you what you need it for right now. Also, feel free to season the bacon with a little bit of pepper, too. I always do. All right, now we got our soup pot on the stove over a medium to medium-low heat. And you want to add some of the bacon grease back in. At least 2 tablespoons, but I just eyeballed it. Again, there's no way to make this dish healthy. Then you want to add 4 cloves of minced garlic and stir that around. And let the garlic just start to turn brown. And then you want to add 1 onion diced. And you want to sweat these for a couple of minutes till the onions are translucent. All right, through the magic of cooking show editing, the onions and garlic are done. Look at them. Now, we're going to add 6 cups of chicken broth to this. Don't worry, it'll simmer down. Okay, now we want to add 32 ounces of baking potatoes. I can't remember how many I used. I did leave the skin on them. Don't worry, I washed them before I put them in here. And you just want to cut them into bite-sized pieces. And then you just want to start the long cooking process over a nice low heat. I don't really have a time per se. I think I did mine for a couple of hours just on a nice low heat simmering. Okay, so about halfway through, I think this was about 45 minutes in or 30 minutes in. Again, I really do with chili and soups. I just go more for a feel of when it's done versus an actual rigid time. You want to add in the bacon, and then you want to add a slurry mix of 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Add that in. And then you just want to let everything get incorporated. By the way, I might have missed it. Add a half a teaspoon of thyme to this as well. And now I've added the 2 cups of heavy cream, salt and pepper to taste. If you want it a little hotter, just a little bit of heat, you want to add just a pinch of cayenne. And then just simmer this till you get your desired thickness. The longer you simmer, the thicker the soup. Alrighty, this was kind of the color and consistency I was going for. Again, took a couple of hours. So, potato bacon soup, done.